Hi, I'm Ben Jones. I'm the founder of Racing Dreamz. We're a 501c3 nonprofit based here in Northeast Tennessee, and our mission is simple. We help veterans and first responders deal with trauma and PTSD through something a little different. Out here, they focus, they engage, and for a little while, things get quieter, and sometimes you see something come back. Confidence, control, even just a smile. And for us, that's where it starts. Hey, it's Ben Jones from Racing Dreamz. Right now we're building something special in the mountains of Tennessee and Virginia. And this right here, this is where it all starts. This is our KOS 200. It may not look like much, but it's the first step, the first machine in what we're building. We're building a place where veterans and first responders can get behind the wheel and push themselves and reconnect not through talk, but through experience. Off-road trails, cross carts, real seat time. This isn't just an idea anymore. It's already starting. I hope you'll support what we're building here. This is about creating something real, something that can truly help veterans and first responders, and we're just getting started.